Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rifatana, and you can call me Arif. Today, I'm going to share my mini research detail about study environment preference among university students. In this presentation, I will talk about how students chose their study environment and how it affects their focus and productivity. Okay, each student has different preference when it comes to studying. Some feel more focused at home, others prefer the quiet of the library, and some enjoy the atmosphere of cafe. Uh, this choice really influence how motivated and productive, productive we are throughout this research, and I wanted to understand which place students feel most comfortable in and why they choose them. The purpose of this study is to explore the reason behind this preference and identify common patterns among students and see whether different tasks require different study environments. Okay, to collect the data, I conducted a short interview with two my friend undergraduate students, and each interview lasts about 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Okay. I asked them about where they usually study, what makes a place comfortable, and what factor influence their concentration. Some of the question I asked included where do you usually study and what make a place comfortable for you, and when do you choose home, a cafe, or the library, and what distracts you the most, and which environment helps you stay productive. From the interview, I found that home is often chosen for tasks that require deep focus. Both participants feel that home is comfortable and has fewer distraction. It's a good place for reading or working on individual assessment, right? One participant said they prefer studying in the cafe when working on good project or when they need a change of atmosphere. Uh, delivery environment helps them stay motivated and prevents boredom. Meanwhile, the library is the preferred place for more serious study season. Its quiet atmosphere and the access to academic resources help students stay disciplined and focused. From both participants, I noticed a similar pattern. They choose place with the fewer distraction and where they can access what they need. Uh, However, there will difference as well. One likes the social and energetic atmosphere of the cafe, will the other prefer the quiet and the solid of the library? One thing that surprised me was that students don't stick to just one study environment. Um, they switch place depending on what kind of test they have. Uh, this made me realize that our study environment has a big impact on our focus and motivation. Being flexible can really improve learning outcomes. And in the conclusion, there is no single best study environment. Home, cafe, and library all have their own advantage depending on the situation. Okay, choosing the right place for the right test can help students study more effectively. Uh, that's I think that's the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening and goodbye.